I am Utsav. I am an MTech in Computer Science and Engineering, presently working with a reputed IT company in Hyderabad. I am also associated with many research organizations and helps undergraduate and postgraduate students with their research and academic studies. Apna Study is a fantastic platform for students who are in schools and colleges. I chose Apna Study to help you friends in understanding your mathematics from class 5 to class 10, which I feel is the best time to learn mathematics and love it, and which will be helpful in your future exams and endeavors. So, as I told, I am starting from the very basic from class 5 to class 10. So I think this chapter, simple interest, is one of the best chapter which students sometimes face some problem. So this is what I have made to make you understand. So this is the prime formula for calculating a simple interest. So as we can see in the screen, to calculate the simple interest, the formula for calculating is denoted by the following formula, which is principal into rate into time divided by 100, where P is the principal. Principal means the money borrowed or lent out for a certain period is called the principal or the sum. R is the rate of interest. T is the time period, which is only calculated in years. Here people make mistakes when the question is given in months or day. They forget to convert it into years, and they directly calculate by inputting the months or days. So it should always be converted to years. To understand this, let us consider the following example. Suppose you go to a bank and you want to open a savings account, and the bank tells you that they will give you an interest of 10% annually on your savings. You deposit rupees 100 and goes back to a bank after 1 year. Now, how will the bank know that how to calculate the interest and how much amount you will be getting? So interest will be calculated by the bank by the following method, which I just told before, which is simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time whole divided by 100, where the principal is the amount which you initially deposited, which is 100, and the rate of interest, as I told, is determined by the bank, which is 10%, and the time, as I told, is 1 year, and the whole divided by 100. So it comes out to be 10 rupees. So the new money which you will be getting with the interest will be calculated by the old money plus simple interest. The old money is what you have initially deposited, which is 100 rupees, and simple interest is just we have calculated, that is principal into rate into time whole divided by 100, which is 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. So you might be, this is a very principle and the basic example I just need, which we face day to day life. I hope I can make you understand. So in this, we just have to remember this formula, principal into rate into time whole divided by 100. This is the prime formula we have to remember. Now coming to a next example, which I have not prepared a slide, but just want to make you listen. Suppose many a times this rate of interest, as I told, which will always be in prime per annum, that is per year. Suppose this is in this example, the rate of interest is simple like a 10%. Sometimes we have to calculate a bit complex rate of interest, which should, for example, 2, 3 by 5, 6, 7 by 5, sort of this. So you have to make it to the whole number and have to insert. So for example, I am just dictating you a problem wherein the simple interest is to be calculated, wherein the principal is rupees 68,000 and the rate of interest is 16.2% per annum for 9 months. As I told, we have to convert the time period from months or days to years. So in this particular problem, as I told, it is time is 9 months. So we have to convert from months to years. So it should be 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 2 years, 3 by 4 years, sorry for that. And the rate of interest, I just told, is 16.2 by 3%. So it should be 50 by 3%. How it came? Like 16 into 3, 48 plus 2, 50 by 3% is per annum is a rate of interest. So we'll just insert it into the formula like principal into rate into time by 100. So the principal is 68,000, rate is 50 by 3%, and the time is converted from 9 months to years, that is 3 by 4 years, which is equal to 68,000 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 100 is equal to rupees 8,500 is the interest you will be getting at the end of 3 by 4 years. That is the total money will be 68,000 plus 8,500 will be the amount which you'll be getting after 3 by 4 years. So I hope I was able to help you out with this. So I hope you understood my teaching and you loved it. If you love it, then do subscribe me through Apna Study. And I personally feel every student should subscribe to Apna Study for their future endeavors. And here there are very good lectures which you can hear and enjoy. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.